Greeting, Mark Rowan here. We're going to be looking at how we can use Microsoft Teams. Yes, it's Microsoft Teams right here. Right, as you can see so far, right up here, you have the search bar here where you can click and type and search for whatever file out, thing out. But if you notice these two arrows over here, you can carry right, you can carry left. Notice we have activity here. But right in this particular section here, if you notice, right here, say the filter, right, you can actually click this to get the video. And right here, it said new chat. If you notice activity, this itself is activity. So far, you notice over here, you have friend, you have workforce. But if you come right away, it says welcome to Teams, right? You show that you can invite people you know, right? By clicking this right here, you know, the start chat, right? You can send instant message right here. And if you notice right over here, you can actually meet now, right? I notice you can actually get the mobile app. All right, so now this is the chat. If you click right away on the chat, definitely on this particular part, you know, so you can actually do some chat. Notice right away here says meet. You can actually click on the video, just the same, and this is itself is the calendar section. So when you click on the calendar, if you notice right here, it's a one moment right here. So very important how you do that particular section. All right, if you notice over here where the calendar show right here, you can actually put in a date, right? The week. If you notice right here, it tell you you can actually meet now. You can actually start a new meeting right here. Alright, when you finish, you can come right up here. You can actually hit this arrow and take it directly back up to the front. Definitely. Alright. So if you notice, you can actually show here, this is the chat. When you click on the chat, if you notice right over here, so show the chat feature right here. So show that I can get a file from the section here. No file right here. Tap to do it photo right here. But if you notice right here, show that I can actually join. Here you can actually get a link right here. I'm sure it's only one person actually inside here. Right, so very important here. Right, when you look at it, you go right back to activity. Right, definitely now we're going to be looking at a second section of this team right here. So once you click right here, you click on join. When you click on join now, if you notice this area, click this minimize, all right, this maximize, can close, you can click right here and expand it big. If you notice right here, so choose your video and audio. This itself is the audio. I can actually click like that and turn it off. So this itself is the video. I can actually click on it and turn on the video. And there you go. And hear me go in the video. I can actually click and turn off the video right here so that I can actually can see it here. You can actually join. But if you notice, this setting right here is a setting icon. So going to join, you're going to click right there and join. Notice when you click on join, you notice right here, show that it's actually connecting right here. So notice my camera is still off, right? Definitely can actually turn it on. Right, immediately notice up here, you show the timing. Right here, show your people, chat, reaction, more. Notice show the camera is off. You notice the mic. Right here, it's a share. Right, if you notice there's a waiting for others to join. But in order for others to join, you have to send them an invitation. Right, so we're going to be looking at each of them. Right, if you notice when I click on people right here, on this particular, you can click right there and close it. You can type here, so I'm typing the person name. But here you can actually share the invitation. But if you notice right here, show that I'm the organizer. Right, if you notice, you see this, you look at that right here, show that I can pin for me, I can hide for me right here, spotlight everyone. All right, so nobody else is in me. I'm the only person right there, so no, I know not the organizer. Now we're going to be looking at the chat. When you click right here on the chat, you notice it's right here, so no, right, that I can actually join my own conversation right here. But if you notice right down here, so I can actually type something right down here. But if you come right at this A here, and you click, you already notice I can actually bold it, right? Underline it, italic it, I can come right here, so to click to actually delete it. But if you notice, you come right here at this little paperclip, you notice it's a upload from your computer. But if you click on it, notice it's going to take you directly right here that I can actually select a file, right? I can just click that right here. I can click on open. And if you notice, this is the file, right? And ensure that it's actually complete. I can actually type something right here at the same time, and I press this to send out a file. Right? You want to get rid of the file, you can come right here, click on the X, and right there, you can actually go for an emoji right here. Notice when you click right there on emoji, you notice you can actually choose one of these, just like that, or you can come right here, just the same, and that's exactly. You can come like this and erase it if you don't want it, right? Just like that. Definitely. If you notice this one also, you can actually put some different type of stuff right there. So you can accept right there. So you can right there. Right. So now look at the chat. Now look at the reaction. Now when you click on the reaction, what you will see right here. So you get a thumbs up for somebody, say something. Yeah, you saying some love for some person, you clapping the person to appreciate the person and all that. And this one you raise the hand. Right. So definitely if you raise the hand, you click like that. Right here in the meeting, you click and you raise the hand. Right. So notice right up here when I click on people right here, you notice it show that my hand is right here. All right, so come back here to reaction again, and then you click right here so that I can lower my hand. Right, I'll click and lower my hand. All right, so now look at these three. Now we're going to look at more. We're going to click right here more. Notice this is set for the device setting. So when you come right here and click on device setting, notice it show the order and all of that right here. Spoke right here, native oppression and all of that. All right, so you can come right here, close it, go back again. You notice meeting option. Right, a meeting option, and then click on meeting option. Right, if you notice right here, show that access loading. Right, so who can bypass the lobby. Right, so sometimes when you start the meeting, sometimes you take a staff person inside it already. Right, so when you click it right here, so who can bypass the lobby, you can say everyone or me only. Right, very important right here. Who can present. Right, you notice you click right here, everybody or me. It's up to you. So these are the settings that you want to look at, right? Right, allow attendee mic, right? So you can actually click on the attendee mic right here and you control them, or you can say control the camera, and when you finish, you can press that saving icon right here, right? That you have full control over it, and then we finish, you can come right here. All right, let's go back to more again. Now this you're going to look at the meeting info. When you look at meeting info, sure that I can copy an invitation right here. So in case if you never know where, you can come here, right here, right? And notice you can click right here to join the meeting. Now that you can come right here and close it. I'll go back to info again. Notice you're going to look at apply background effect. Okay, very important that you can apply black. You notice these are background effect. But in order for me to do that, let me turn on my camera right here. Right. So if you notice right here, sure that's actually right. So if you notice, this is my background right here. So apply background effect. So definitely you're doing a location. You want to apply the background, you can come right here and click and notice the preview is apply. So I'm going to click right there and apply. If you notice my background right here, all pretty, right? So this is one I think that I can do. You can actually choose this next background again and you press apply just like that. So this is one that the background look like. You can come right here. You can actually scroll up. You can actually choose a different background. You can also press apply. And this one here, notice. All right. And if you're not satisfied, you can actually come down and scroll and test them out just like that. Right, you can actually test them out like that. So sometimes I see person, sometimes with some background during time presenting, this is exactly how it actually look like. Right, so this itself is another one again. Right, so you can actually scroll up and look at some more right down here. Definitely. Right, so we have a lot right here. This is the next one again that you can actually look at. Right, and then when you finish, right, you can actually come right here. You can actually close this. Notice I have a brand new background right here. Alright, so definitely when I come back right here in the more again, right here show that I can actually turn on live caption. When it's caption, you can actually see it actually shown right here each time I talk. Alright, and if you notice right here, the gallery mode, when I click on gallery mode, what will happen? That it depends on the amount of you in the class, it will actually put you in that particular section right here. So right here, so they can actually go full screen right here. Right, so very important. So if you notice right here, so this is my mic. I can actually open it and I can actually close it. All right, but if you notice right here, you have the share feature. So I'm going to click right here. And I click right here, notice it brings down this particular window here. So share content. If you notice, include computer sound. But bear in mind, if you're sharing a video in this stuff here, you make sure you click this, include computer sound, right? If you notice, show my face right here, it should show you how many stuff actually open right here, right? So if I click right here, you notice it show me all of the things that open on my computer so far, right? And if I come right here, I can actually click on this one. So if I click right here and this one, if you notice right away, you're going to actually show it. All right, so you're going to actually show the window, definitely. All right, coming up shortly. All right, if you notice right down here, so this is actually is a window. All right, you notice it actually show me the, so anybody at all in the meeting can actually view it. Now when you finish, you can come right here, notice right here and click and stop. All right, stop. You can come like this and get back up, just like that. Click on the sharing again, because it's very important. If you notice right here, it's a content only. So if you click on this right here, you can actually show the content only. But if you notice right here, so it gives you a standout, definitely. And this one, side by side view, just the same. Right, so if I click on this one now, right, content only, you notice it can only show the content alone. But if I click on this one, to stand out, just the same, to give you a difference here, right? Just like that. Right, so let me go back. And if I click on this one, also side by side, right? And if I click this one, now I'm going to choose and I'm going to see exactly how this one actually look like right there, right? So if you notice right here, I'm presenting. You notice it show me right here that I'm right here and actually doing the presentation on it so far. So this is how it actually shows side by side view, just the same, right? And if you notice your different sides, all right, and then I can actually close like that and then connect it and stop it. And then you are back up, right? So that's exactly how it shows the side by side view right there, right? And if you notice this one now, you can report right here. So very important. So this is how we can actually add background right here. So this is how we actually use the Microsoft Teams. So this Microsoft Teams can use for work, can use for school, I can use for family, in a family setting, right? Very important right here. So that's exactly how we actually do it. So if you want to send an invitation to somebody, all right, when I click back over here on people right here, you can actually click. And if you notice right over here, say invite people to join. You can also copy the link and paste it into the internet browser, right? You can share it through your Outlook calendar. You can share it by Google Calendar. You can share by default email, just the same, right? It's very important. Or you can actually do it when you finish. You can actually close this just like that. So as soon as you finish with the meeting or you want to close it, you can come right here. This will leave the meeting. But if you are the host, you want to come right here and you're going to click. You notice the leave meeting. If you leave meeting or leave the person inside. So if I 20 hours in the meeting and you are the host, click leave. This is eventually what happens. Somebody will have to take on the hostship. But when you click now and you click end meeting, it means that the end meeting for everybody. So you come like that. So you click, you know, it is end this meeting, right? You notice you will end this meeting for everyone. So everyone, so you can cancel. I can click right here. So you're going to click just like that, and that's exactly how you actually do it.